Hi students, this is the last part of this lesson. Today we are going to study about X-rays. So today fully what is X-ray, what about the introduction and discovery of X-ray, then what about the production of X-ray, what are X-ray spectra, what are the types, what are the explain the types of spectra, then application of spectra. First of all, the introduction part, that is introduction and discovery of X-ray. Listen very carefully. So in this lesson, up to this much, generally in photoelectric effect, if we hit the metal with the light, electrons will emit. Suppose if one cooled tube, if we hit the metal with the electrons, light will emit. Listen very carefully. In photoelectric effect, if we hit with the light, the electrons are ejecting in one cooled tube. If we one cathode, one anode, if we hit the metal with the electrons, so one fastest electron hit on target, that time light will emit. See here, light into electrons. Here fastest electrons into light. So according to photoelectric effect, in which the electrons are emitting due to incidence of photons, that is, the energy is transferring from photons to the electrons. So it is like a reversible process. So in first topic, the introduction of discovery of X-ray, in 1895, William Röntgen, the scientist, doing some more experiments. Finally, he conclude, whenever one fast electrons, one cathode is there, one anode is there, connecting one potential, that is a one high volt battery, with the help of one low tension battery, they ejecting the number of free electrons. This free electron is accelerated with the help of one high tension battery. See, when the fast electrons are accelerated and hit to the target, that time this accelerating, this electrons losing the kinetic energy, that energy is converting into X-rays. So in this lesson, it is in this topic, first of all, how the X-rays are producing, that is apparatus arrangement, everything I will send to the next video. So dear students, are you ready?